Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So your girl is here again with hot gist from the Big Brother lockdown. Yes, so let me give you the gist. Don't say I'm doing apoko again. So that's how Nengi and also got into a conversation, and that is how, yesterday I was still giving you the gist that babe said she could date also. So that is how he just dropped the bomb today. And he said, and I quote, "Who wants to date you? Who wants to date you?" Ha! When I heard it, I'm like, hey, God, just watch that. Guys, you need to watch the clip. I don't fit tell you the things myself. You need to see this, guys. See this.
And for me, I'm good and I move on.
Okay, now I think you're going too far.
No, I'm not going too far. I'm just saying, like, that's just how I am. Like,
I told you, I cannot be in a relationship for now.
But I get that part. But
So,
first of all, who wants to date you?
like
Who wants to date you?
I didn't say you want to date me.
You
don't want to date me. Then why are you catching feelings?
Who wants to date someone?
Why are you catching?
Hi guys, did you hear that? Auntie Nengi is in trouble. Should we say this is now it's a friend zone something? Okay. We need to, a lot of things are going to unfold this season, and we should just sit down gently and be watching. Don't worry now, I will bring you all the gist. So that's how Auntie Nengi have come and sit down on brother Kiddo. Hey. If Auntie Erica should catch you, I'm not there. Now, I don't understand if Nengi is trying to, shoot a shot. Really, I don't know. But this girl, I don't know why she went to go and sit down. You know that this guy already has a baby in the house, and with all the everything behind all the packaging. But I've already, if Erica should catch her, I don't know about it. So guys, see it.
The dice roll one time. You see how the dice roll. So none of your games don't come out Nengi. Yo. See what they want to see. So they put 3. That's one. This one. You make a man go crazy. Oh, what things you do to me. So wrong. I know that. Grace. 6-4. That's a laugh. I put